So the world is talking about DeepSeek. In this video, we're going to see what DeepSeek is and how we could use it. I'll also show you how you could download it on your own desktop and use it without using the internet. DeepSeek is an alternative to the large language models like ChaTGPT, Gemini, Grok, etc. But the best part is this is open source. That means it is free to use. Now, we all have this apprehension that DeepSeek is a Chinese company. Though they say it open source or free, can we really believe them? Now, here's the best part. DeepSeek can be downloaded locally on your computer and you could use it without using the internet. Yes, you could use it without the internet. It runs locally with your own computer hardware. Now, if you want to use DeepSeek just like you use ChatGPT, you could go to deepseek.com and you could give your email and password and you can use just like how you use ChatGPT. But if you want to download it on your local computer, then these are the steps. The first step is you have to download Ollama. Ollama is an open source tool that allows you to run large language models on your computers. If you visit that link, you'll find a web page something like this and you could download it on your computer. Now you could see that it is downloaded on my computer. I'm opening it. I'm clicking next. I have to install the command line. Click install. Type the computer's password and I'm told to run this command on my command terminal. So I'm running it on my terminal. It's downloading a bunch of files and I'm waiting for the download. Now it got downloaded. Now I could use this to download DeepSeek R1 model. Now R1 is one of the models developed by DeepSeek. You could also download the V3 model, which is a general purpose model, but I'm downloading R1 in this video. R1 is used for tasks that require more reasoning and deeper thinking. Now there are different versions of DeepSeek R1 model. So the first model you could see 1.5 billion parameters, and then we have 8 billion parameters, 14 billion parameters, 32 billion parameters, and 70 billion parameters. Obviously, as you increase the parameters, it requires more memory and storage. I'm going to download the 8 billion parameter version on my M2 Mac. So I'm going to terminal and typing Ollama run DeepSeek R1 colon 8 billion. I'm waiting for the download to happen. And it is downloaded. Now I could use the terminal itself to ask questions to DeepSeek. For example, right now I'm asking it to write a post about quantum computing. And it started typing the answer for me. Now if you want a help on which commands to type to stop it or do anything with this interface, you could type /? for the help. Now, if you don't like this interface and you wanted a ChatGPT like of interface, then you could download an open source version of web interface called OpenWebUI. But for that, you need to have Docker Desktop installed on your computer. If you have Docker Desktop installed on your computer, then you could download a Docker image using this command. Docker pull ghcr.io /open You could see the command in the video description. Now, once you downloaded the Docker image, you could run a Docker container using this command. Now, after it is done, you could go to your favorite web browser and type this command localhost 9783. That is the port where we are hosting this. You give your details. Once you give your details, you'll find a screen like this. Now you could see a user interface, something like ChatGPT. Now remember, I turned off the internet. This is running on my local host. I'm asking a question to DeepSeek R1. Write 300 words about the future of humans. Now DeepSeek is thinking, and I got the answer. Without accessing the internet, DeepSeek is using my own computer hardware and giving me the answer for this. Let me ask a coding problem. Write a Python code to check whether a string is an anagram. DeepSeek is thinking. It thought for 2 minutes and then gave me the answer for 2 approaches to solve the problem. So DeepSeek R1 is best for more complex reasoning problems. So that's how we could download and use DeepSeek R1 on our own computers without using the internet and get the power of artificial intelligence on our own computers without wasting money on ChatGPT or Gemini subscriptions. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.